update on my hair install from her hair fein, and I really love this hair. Yesterday I got it installed, and she cut she cut layers into it and everything. It fell now, and I can't quite curl like she can. Her, hair biting underneath, but I love this hair. It's soft. It's been, maintaining for me. No shedding. Um, yeah, I got it cut in some couple layers. So it might be a little bit shorter. I had a 2022 and a 24-inch of their Brazilian body wave. 3 bundles, and yeah, so it's flowy, it's not stiff. I can rub my fingers through it without any shedding. So yeah, I'll do a 2-week update and a month update and all that type of stuff. I probably need to fix my leave out a little bit, but I just got out the shower, so I pretty much was about to wrap it up. But yeah, I hear it from her hair team. Bye.